How y'all doing? This is Earthquake from Tattoo For You. Today we got some dynamic gold bars, as they call them. They're the Spade cartridges. We have some standard 7-round liners and some standard 23 curve mags. This is going to be a review on them. I've used them here and there. They're pretty decent. So this is going to be the 7-round liner. And let's get the other one. That's the 23 curve mag. We'll keep that there. So packaging's pretty nice, you know. It's got all the info on there. Your little sterile mark. The 12 means it's a standard. The 07 is the size of the needle, which is the 7. RL is round liner. Manufacture date, January 2022. Expiration, January 2025. They got the easy peel, like most needles out there nowadays. And the coolest thing is, I don't know if I can focus this, but it's got a little spade right here instead of the traditional just random hole. So far they're pretty smooth. They got the backflow stopper, so that way you're not getting plasma and blood into your machine. You know, sometimes these needle bars are wiggly, and this is pretty solid. This is actually the most solid one I've felt, and I've used a lot of different needle cartridges. These are nice. They're smooth. You know, they're not gonna wobble all over the place. Like, I'm really trying to wobble that, and it's not wobbling. You know, they're nice. They're smooth. Let's open this one. Same thing on the back. It's got the Spade. It's got the lot number on this one. Manufacturer date 2020. July 2020. Expiration July 2023. So this year. And then in the front it has what this one is. This one's packaged a little bit different compared to the other one. So 12, so standard 23 curve mag. We got a pretty good seal on them. These aren't just going to open up on you. Some of the cheaper ones, like there's a lot of glue on these. They're not just gonna rip open as they're bouncing around in your kit or your box. I use toolboxes. Maybe this one you can see the yeah, you can see the Spade a little bit better on this one, which is cool. I like that. These are definitely some of the better needles I've seen. I've used quadrants and Imala, Bass. Those are the cheaper ones, but they work. Easy Tattoo, those are pretty good. Yeah, this is smooth. This one's got a little bit more play, but it's completely different design. So these are nice. I like these. Also has the backflow stop, so that way you're not getting your blood and plasma in. See how they fit in my machine. So we're gonna try these in my CNC Q2. See how well they fit. Doesn't seem to be popping out or wiggling around. I'm at 7.5 volts. This is all the way out. This is about where I would run these. But they fit nicely. They get a little loud once you get to the lower settings, but I really wouldn't run the needle this far up. I don't know if you can see that. Like, it's barely sticking out, so I would run it here. Or actually a little bit further. About right there. That seems to be where they want to be anyways. Take that one out. Try this 23 curve mag in here. Which I'm at 8 volts. This is the highest setting. I don't know if you can see that. Try not to stab myself. Yeah, they're staying in there fine. They're not wiggling around. They're just barely poking out. Yeah, so far I'm liking these. They run pretty smooth. I'll have to try them out on some fake skin now. Get my machine wrapped up and start working. Alright, now that we got my CNC Q2 wrapped up, this one's got a different power supply on it. My other one was pretty much dead. This is a Javelin power supply. Alright, we're gonna have the needles hanging out about that far. Actually, we're gonna do a little bit further. I don't like that. I don't know if you can see that spade well. But we're gonna have these needles hanging out about right here. If you don't see that. Alright, this is running at 7.5 volts. Well, my lines ain't the straightest, but they clean. Yeah, these are pretty good needles. Let's try a hot. So that a little bit. Okay, so now we are gonna try the 23 curve mag. Which that is way too deep. Set out way too far. I have mine set up about right there. Camera's picking that up or not. We're just running some straight black. cleaned up for you. Yeah, these definitely got some good, consistent ink flow, as you can see. You know, all in all, would I buy these again? Hell yeah. Are they worth the money? Hell yeah. You know, these are some of the better needles that I've used. I've used Quadrants and Malyas, Easy Tattoo, Mass, CNC Police cartridges. You name it, I've tried it. These are definitely one of the better tattoo cartridges out there. Dynamic Spade gold bars. Go out and buy them. They're worth the money. I've been Earthquake from Tattoo For You. Like, subscribe, share, all that jazz. Thanks for watching.